if we can go back to that other picture of the monkey bars, I want Caleb to zoom in on something real quick because my overly analytical brain like can't really help myself. So if we zoom in and you see that the bars are attached on top of the rig, they're not bolted into the rig. And this looks a lot like bars that rotate. So if we pull up a picture that I sent to Caleb, it would be really, really cool. It would be really, really cool if the bars rotated because it looks like these bars will rotate. And this is about as OG as you can get.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Can you go back to that other picture?
Wow.
You're obsessed with the rotating bar. He has them on his bar, too. Go back.
Wow.
This would make JR squirt in his britches, dude.
No, it would just add another grip element and another like when you do monkey bars, like
Dude.
I do have some at my house that are outdoor, and when you are going across, it just kind of catches you by surprise to have the bar rotate. Like it's just kind of a weird sensation.
Damn, man.
I don't know. Maybe I'm just reading too much into it, but it looks like those are attached on top so that they can spin.
How certain are you that you're right on this, JR? This is
I'm not certain at all. I just zoomed in on the picture and was like, huh, those look like the little things from the journal that I found. Like
and they wouldn't just set those up there before they're attached and like they're waiting to be attached.
Maybe.
No.
Yeah. I don't know.
No.
It just
That'd
doesn't.
be dangerous. That'd be dangerous. They'd fall on someone's head or something.
Look at how perfectly spaced they are. They just set them up there like that. They're bolted in.
Wow, incredible. JR, have you ever played with one of those?
Yeah, I mean the one I have at my house outside, all the bars spin like that.
But it ain't like that. The bars at his house are just like a band clamp going over them, and they're just sitting on wood.
But how much harder is it? What are the implications? Is it like significantly harder, especially if you're switching from bar to bar to bar?
It would just fatigue the grip more. Like we went to a fair with the kids last weekend, and there was a booth that was hang for 2 minutes, win $100. And I went over to look at the bar, and it was a bar that just continuously spun. And I was just like, that's why no one's going to win that today.
You can't get your grip on top of the bar. So you're holding with just
You don't think you could hang for 2 minutes on a spinny bar?
from your fingers.
Not on the ones they had at that fair. On these, I could.
Really?
Yeah.
I want to go to that fair and f them up.